DJI might be preparing to shake up the FPV drone scene once again. While everyone's been focused on the upcoming Mini 5 Pro, it turns out DJI has another drone in the works, and this time it's for the cinewhoop crowd. Early leaks and footage point to the DJI Avata 3, a follow-up to the Avata 2 that launched just a few months ago. And no, this isn't one of those wild guesses. There's real information coming from trusted sources, and things are starting to look very real. The clearest look so far comes from Igor Bogdanov, who shared what's believed to be the first actual footage of the Avata 3 undergoing test flights. The drone in the video appears to be upside down, but there are already some visible differences. One of the biggest standouts is the four-blade propeller design, something DJI hasn't done on an Avata before. That change alone hints at more power, better responsiveness, and likely smoother handling in tight environments. Backing up that leak is Osita LV, another well-known DJI insider who confirmed that the Avata 3 is indeed in development, alongside the Mini 5 Pro and a Neo 2 model. When two of the most reliable names in DJI leaks are saying the same thing, it's a good sign that we're not just chasing rumors this time. The overall body design looks similar to previous Avata models, but DJI appears to have made some internal shifts. The battery has been moved further back, likely to accommodate the larger camera and gimbal setup. This change might also remove the need for the prominent orange bumpers that were part of the Avata 2. More room up front for the camera also implies better airflow and possibly a slightly more aerodynamic build. The shift to four-blade props should improve thrust and flight control, especially in tight indoor or obstacle-heavy environments. One of the most exciting upgrades is the camera. According to Osita LV, the Avata 3 will move up to a bigger CMOS sensor, most likely 1 inch. A notable improvement over the 1 by 1.3 inch sensor in the Avata 2. That means better clarity, more detail in low light, and overall improved color depth. It's the kind of change that makes a big difference for content creators, especially those using FPV drones for cinematic work. Along with the sensor, the gimbal is also getting an upgrade, reportedly allowing a wider tilt range. That not only helps with more dynamic angles but could also let the drone fly faster while keeping the footage level and stable. Leaks also suggest a boost in flight time, potentially up to 30 minutes, compared to the Avata 2's 23. That could be thanks to more efficient motors and a refined battery design. More importantly, there's talk of full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, a major leap from the limited sensors on the current Avata. If DJI pulls this off, it'll make FPV flying much safer for both beginners and experienced pilots. The Avata 3 is also expected to support DJI's O4 video transmission system, offering clearer visuals, reduced latency, and a longer range, up to 30 kilometers in ideal conditions. Paired with new goggles and an upgraded RC motion controller, the flying experience could feel like a big step forward. DJI hasn't dropped any official hints yet, but if we follow the usual release pattern, Avata 1 in September 2022 and Avata 2 in April 2024, the Avata 3 could land somewhere between late 2025 and early 2026. A release between November and January seems likely, especially with leaks already starting to surface and testing footage making the rounds. The DJI Avata 3 looks like a meaningful update rather than a radical redesign. From what we've seen and heard so far, the focus is on better visuals, improved handling, and smarter flying. With Igor Bogdanov and Osita LV both putting their names behind the leaks, it feels like we're at the beginning of the Avata 3 reveal cycle. And if these early details hold true, DJI's next FPV drone could hit the sweet spot for casual pilots and serious creators alike.